Every day we're solving problems. That's part of the job. People are trusting us with one of the most important things in life, their health. And because that's our industry, problem solving is part of the game. Today we're talking about something more meaningful than quick fixes. The R in heart is resolve at the root. Strive was created because we saw gaps in medicine and healthcare, and one of the biggest problems is this mindset of treating symptoms, not root causes. And this isn't just when it comes to people's health, it's baked into the entire industry. If we stop at the surface, the problems are just going to keep coming back for more. It's so easy to just patch a hole in the ship and keep sailing, but if the wood is rotting, sooner or later, the ship is going down. Resolving at the root means slowing down long enough to ask, what is really the source of this problem here? Where do we usually go wrong, and what small changes can eliminate that chance? What would solve this issue for the next person, and the next, and the next? It's not about blame or finger pointing, it's about a healthier, more sustainable path forward. And it's about making our systems, our communication, and our checks better and stronger. When we solve at the source, the entire experience improves. Turnaround times get smoother, mistakes drop, stress lowers, patients have better experiences and turn into better outcomes. Our teams get back time, energy, and confidence. Resolving the root is powerful because it has a downstream effect. We see this every day in health. Doctors can throw someone a sleeping pill, or they can work with them to find a personalized hormone care plan that changes their sleep, mood, energy, and eventually has positive outcomes for their whole lifestyle. At work, fixing one root issue in a workflow can improve 5 other systems. A clear handoff can save hours for a whole team. And it changes the culture because we're not just reacting, we're upgrading. We're not just patching, we're building. This month, we invite you to look for the pattern under the problem. If you're dealing with a frustrated customer or a snag in a work process, find the origin point, collaborate with your leadership if you need support, fix what matters most. When we resolve at the root, we don't just solve today's issue, we transform tomorrow's experience, and we create outcomes for the long term.